Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Adobe Photoshop crashing in Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and right click on where integrated graphics driver and select disable option. In my case I already disabled it, so the option is the enable device. In your case, disable device, select it and select yes and disable the device. After doing it, just close tab here and open up Photoshop. After opening the Photoshop, select the edit option and select preferences and select performance. Uncheck use graphics processor and click on OK and just close stuff here and now reopen the Photoshop and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 2, you just need to hold shift key in our keyboard while launching the Photoshop. This will disable all third-party plugins. Click on S and if Photoshop works fine, remove any faulty plugins. Method 3, just need to check my video description for these links. Just need to download this Nvidia app if you have Nvidia graphics. AMD graphics card driver if you have, then download this software. If you have Intel, then you just need to download the Intel driver support assistant. In my case I already installed that driver support assistant, so the download option is not available. In here you can able to see the download option to download this program. After getting download done, install it. After the installation done, you can able to see all the available drivers for your graphics processor. And now after getting installed done, you just need to open the software and go to drivers tab and select check for updates and update the latest available driver. After getting update done, you just need to open up task manager and close apps including Chrome just by right click on them and select in task. Unnecessary task running, just close everything and now open the Photoshop and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type Photoshop. Right click on the Photoshop and select open file location. Right click on it, Photoshop again and select open file location. After finding this application file, just right click and select properties. Select compatibility, checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the Photoshop without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.